Mr. Crichon here in the high school guidance office. I want to talk to you about a quick and easy way that you can distribute work or turn in work for teachers or students. It's called Adobe Scan. So this is something that is free to use with either any kind of phone, an Android or an iPhone. What you're seeing right here, this is the icon that you would see on the phone. And I have that set up in my iPhone, Adobe Scan. So I'm going to open that up, and what we're going to do is I'm going to scan the two pieces of paper here behind me. So I have a couple of, I have a couple informational things that sent out by SUNY, and it'd be nice to distribute those to kids very quickly and easily, and I'll show you how to do that. So I just lay them out on a table behind me. This is what the front of Adobe Scan looks like. It's basically looking for something to scan. So you just hold your phone once you've downloaded this over an image, hold still, and it will capture that. There's a button at the bottom for continue, and if I want to add another page, I just hit the continue button. Again, it's looking for that page. Just hold it still over the image. Second page, I hit continue again. You'll see at the bottom here, it says my scan currently has 2 pages. If I'm done, I just hit that. You'll see that Adobe does a nice job of cropping and changing the orientation so it looks nice and flat. At the top, there's a place where you can change the name of what you're calling your scan. So I'm just going to call this test video scan. And then once you have that up there, test video scan, up here at the top right, you'll see a button that says save PDF. Adobe goes through the process of saving that, and then depending on whether you have an Apple device or an Android device, you go through the process of sharing or sending that. So since this is an iPhone, iPhone has that icon for share. If you click share, in most cases, you're going to want to share a copy of this, which means it's actually going to save it and send it. If the PDF is really large, if you have 20 pages or something like that, it may be too big to send through email, so you would have to share that as a link. But in most cases, I'm going to hit share a copy, and it will save that as an actual file. I'll hit my email icon, and I'm simply going to type in whatever email address I want to send that to. So I'm going to send it to my Springville work email here. Send away. And then I'll show you what that looks like on the computer screen. Okay, so if I share my screen here, resolution's pretty good. You can see it's a 2-page PDF. And just for comparison, these are the things I was taking a picture of. So Adobe Scan, it's a free app. You don't have to buy anything. You can download it for Android or for iPhone. And it's a quick, easy way to save things and to email things as PDFs. So I hope this helps in your virtual workflow.